Hey there, business owners! Today, I want to talk about a game changer in the marketing world, SMS marketing. If you haven't tapped into this yet, you're missing out big time. Let's dive into some facts that'll show you why SMS marketing is a must for your business. First up, did you know that SMS messages have a whopping 98% open rate? Compare that to email marketing, which hovers around 20%. This means your message is almost guaranteed to be seen. And it gets better. Most SMS messages are read within 3 minutes of being received. Yep, 3 minutes. This is perfect for flash sales, limited time offers, or any time-sensitive information you need to get out quickly. Now let's talk engagement. SMS marketing boasts a 45% response rate. That's nearly 8 times higher than email. Imagine the level of interaction and customer feedback you could achieve. Worried about the cost? Don't be. SMS marketing is incredibly cost-effective. With paper message services, you can reach thousands of customers without breaking the bank. Plus, the return on investment is phenomenal. One more thing to consider. With the rise of smartphone usage, almost everyone has their phone within arm's reach 24/7. This means your messages are right there in your customers' hands, anytime and anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Unlock the power of SMS marketing and watch your business soar. Start today, and you'll see the difference it can make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Mauco Enterprises for more tips on taking your business to the next level. Cheers!